Hello, a very good evening to all my lovely boys and girls. So people, I hope you're all ready for this JEE Advanced session wherein we'll discuss a few questions which are very good, which might kindle your interest to start preparing for JEE Advanced. Okay, so if you're all ready, we'll get started without any delay because I want to keep this session very short and to the point. Okay, so this is the Killer 5 series. It is for JEE Advanced 2023 and today we'll be talking about Algebra 1. I'll make a lot of videos unit wise like algebra, trigonometry, calculus, coordinate geometry and so on. Okay, so in algebra this is the first lecture and I'm gonna be taking this lecture. For those who are new to this channel, my name is Shimon Joseph and I'm a graduate of IIT Madras. Okay, so let's begin people. So you are watching currently the English JEE and NEET channel of Vedantu. If you like the content we provide in this channel and in this video, then make sure you like it, okay? And also subscribe if you want to look at more such videos and learn some amazing content for your upcoming exams. Okay? So let's get started. This is the very first question. And guys, today I have brought JEE Advanced questions. So they might be slightly easy. I'm going to increase the level even more in the upcoming classes. Okay, what sir, what are you telling? You are telling JEE Advanced questions are easy. Yes, if you are a student who is preparing for JEE Advanced, you need to go above advanced level. Advanced exam, you cannot prepare at the same level as previous year's questions. You need to go above and solve tougher questions, which I will do in the upcoming classes. I don't want to scare all of you in the very first session itself. Okay, so first session, let's look at JEE Advanced questions. Let's have a good time. Let's develop interest and then we will take it up higher. Depending on your response, how you guys like it, how many of you are coming to our sessions regularly and watching them and making use of it, we will increase the level and we will do what's best for you. Okay, so let's get started people. The very first question. There is a debate club in a school and it has to have 6 girls and 4 boys. Okay. The debate club has 6 girls and 4 boys. Now, from the debate club, I'm going to select 4-member team and you have to have a captain in that team and then the team has to include at most 1 boy. Okay. So, these are all very important lines. See, at most 1 boy, selection of a captain, a team of 4 members, 6 girls and 4 boys. These are the most important lines in the question. So you should learn how to read a question. Got it? So you see, I just read the question with you, but I marked these 4 important lines because that is what is the entire crux of the question. Okay? Everybody clear? So now, what is the meaning of at most 1 boy? So when I say at most 1 boy, what do I mean by that? Can anybody let me know in the chat? What is the meaning of at most? At most means at the maximum there can be only 1 boy. Okay, so either you can have 1 boy or you can have 0 boys. Okay. Yes, learn by Tamil 334 is not bad, but you can try to improve. Okay, and Hemant, this is a problem solving session, man. That is why the title Killer 5. So I'll discuss 5 questions. I will teach you the surrounding concepts and maybe that will give you exposure to solve questions of this sort. Okay, because lectures, I've already taken plenty of lectures, Hemant. Please check out our other videos in this channel. They will help you a lot. Okay. Exactly, Saravanan, you are correct, Saravanan. At most means at the maximum. So the number of boys can be either 1 or 0 because we want at most 1 boy. So the number of girls can be what? If there are 1 boy, then there will be remaining 3 girls in the team because I want 4-member team, right? I want a 4-membered team. Correct? So 1 boy, 3 girls or 0 boy, 4 girls. These are the only 2 possibilities. Okay, are you all clear? These are the only 2 possibilities. Very good, my dear boys and girls. You are awesome. So how can I select 1 boy? Totally in our class, we have 4 boys. So I will select one boy out of the 4, and when I say and, I multiply. When I say and, I multiply. From 6 girls, I have to select 3 girls. So 6C3. Okay. Now I formed a team. But is the question about only forming a team? No. I have to select team captain. See? Don't forget that. That's why it's a good question. That is why it is a JEE Advanced question. Okay. So now how can you form a captain? Out of the 4 members in the team, you have to select one, because one person is going to become the captain. It can be either a girl or a boy. I don't care. So, and after I form the team, I need to form a captain. So this is my first case. So I solved this case. So case 1 I have done. Now coming to case 2. So when I say case 2, it is or. It is or. Case 1 or case 2. So when I say or, I will add. When I say or, I will add. Now we have 0 boys. So from 4 boys, I select 0. And from 6 girls, I select 4 girls. And I need to choose a captain. So captain is 4C1. So that is my complete answer. I hope you all liked it. Was it next level? Can you find it out and tell me what is the answer? Is it option A, B, C or D? How many of you enjoyed this question? Light up the chat with a fire, with a thumbs up, with a yo, and then we'll move forward. Did you all love it? Are you all clear? Priya Kumari, Teja. So this chapter is permutation and combination, guys. It's a very important chapter. I hope you guys are all able to understand. If this is clear, then we shall move forward, because I have 4 more amazing questions to share with all of you. Okay? Student is right. Sohiti, absolutely Sohiti, you are correct. This chapter is from PNC. So guys, what is the answer? Sir, captain will mean only boy. No, student. Captain can be any person. Out of the 4, it has to be one person. It can be a boy, it can be a girl, I don't care. Okay, so that is why I have done into 4C1 at the end. So after I form the team, so this is team formation. Everybody listen carefully. So this is team formation. Okay, this is team formation. After the team is formed, I choose the captain. After the team is formed, I choose the captain. Did you all get it? Everybody cool with this? So Priya Kumari says option C, 260. Is 260 correct? I doubt it. Can you all confirm it, guys? Is it 260 or something else? The answer is 380, my dear boys and girls. Okay, so please do it carefully, Priya. Don't make mistakes. I gave you the complete answer, right? So finish it off carefully. Do not make mistakes there. Okay, the answer is 380. Please confirm it, because 4C1 is how much? 4C1 is 4. 6C3 is, I think, 20, if I am not wrong. Okay, and 4C1 is again 4. Plus 6C4 is 15. 15 into 4 is 60. So this is how much? This is 320. 320 plus 60 is 380. Guys, what is this? You're all preparing for JEE Advanced and you're not able to open this and tell me the answer. What is this, guys? Do not make such mistakes ever again. Let's move forward to the next question. Come on. Everybody has to get this question right. Everybody. This is simple, easy question from sequence and series which was asked in JEE Advanced. Okay, so today's class I have kept the level difficulty to JEE Advanced level only, but next class, in the upcoming classes, I am going to raise the difficulty beyond advanced, because that is how you have to prepare, guys. I want you to rise up to that level. Okay, Nikita, welcome Nikita, glad to have you here. No problem. Yes, Mr. Zues, you can do it. You will have sufficient time to revise, but don't wait until February. Even now, start preparing whenever you have time. Okay. So guys, let's read this question. So suppose all the numbers of an arithmetic progression or natural numbers, and the ratio of the first 7 terms. Okay, sum of first 7 terms. So that is the first one. Ratio of sum of first 7 terms to the sum of first 11 terms. So S7 by S11 is 6 by 11. Okay. And seventh term lies between 130 and 140. So seventh term lies between 130 and 140. Then they're asking you what is the common difference. Nice question. And one more important information in the question is all the terms are natural numbers. Guys, you need to underline the important information in the question. Start learning that. Okay. Anbu Chelvan, that's awesome, Anbu Chelvan. I'm glad you're able to follow. Harshad, welcome Harshad. Nice to have you, man. So people, this is the information given in the question. Okay. So I have got the ratio of sum of 7 terms to the sum of 11 terms. I got what is the interval in which the 7th term lies. And I also know all the terms in this AP are natural numbers. Okay. So that is the information I have. Now I'll start solving. This is how you proceed. Advanced questions, pay attention to the question. You cannot just read through it very fast in a casual manner. Questions will give you a lot of information and a lot of ideas to crack the solution. Okay. So let's try to solve. So people, in an arithmetic progression, what is S7? So it is n by 2 into 2 into first term plus n minus 1 into d. Correct now? Sum of n terms of an AP formula. It is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1. 11 minus 1. 10d is equal to 6 by 11. Correct now? So 2 and 2 cancel. 11 and 11 cancel. Now cross multiply and open it. 7 into 2 is 14a. 14a plus 7 into 6, 42d is equal to 6 into 2, 12a plus 6 into 10, 60d. So from here I can get 2a is equal to 18d. So I'll get a is equal to 9d. Did you all like it till here? Was it amazing? Was it amazing, my dear boys and girls? Everybody please let me know in the chat. Yes, Karthik, I will do that, Karthik, for sure. Hari Prasad, are you sure? Is that the answer? I think you are right. Hari Prasad is absolutely right. Very good, Hari Prasad. Superb, superb. Keep it up. So everybody got it till here. So now I got the relationship between first term and common difference. Now we want common difference of the AP, right? So for that, let's get the 7th term. What is 7th term? 7th term is first term plus 6d. First term we know is 9 times common difference. So 9d plus 6d is your 7th term. So 9 plus 6 is 15. So 7th term is 15 times common difference. So A7 can be written as 15 times common difference. So what is your D? Your D is nothing but 130 by 15, which will be how much? Which will be 8 point something. Okay. And that will be 9 point something. Okay. 140 by 15. I am dividing by 15 everywhere. So if I divide by 15 everywhere, because 15 is a positive number, the sign of the inequality will not reverse. 130 by 15 is 8 point something and 140 by 15 is 9 point something. So D lies between 8 point something to 9 point something, and D has to be a natural number because you see all the terms in the AP are natural numbers. So your common difference also should be a natural number or should be an integer. So the answer is 9. The answer is 9. Did you all like it? Was it good? Did you all enjoy this question? Everybody please let me know in the chat, guys. Give me a thumbs up, give me a yo, and then we will move forward. Harshad is from Sankalp JEE batch. Awesome, Harshad. I am glad you are enjoying this session, man. Saravanan, very good. Vishwajit, you are absolutely correct. Saravanan, there is no power in my voice. I am shouting, man. Maybe the mic is not picking it up properly. But anyway, it's a JEE Advanced session. So I don't have to shout too much. Let's just focus on the content and the quality of questions. Okay. So yeah, with that, let's move forward, boys and girls. Let's go to the next question, which is over here. Such a simple logarithm based question was asked in JEE Advanced 2018. Okay. Guys, all of these questions are JEE Advanced previous year's questions. But don't worry, from next class, I will bring these similar type of questions, but not previous years, because previous years, ideally what I want is for you to solve as a mock test before your 2023 JEE Advanced. Okay, today is the first session of Killer 5, so I brought JEE Advanced previous year's questions so that you guys can get used to the quality and type of questions. Okay, but ideally you are supposed to take them as mock test before you write your final JEE Advanced actual exam. Okay, great. Girl cook BTS. So I will do that in master in the Tamil channel in the next week. Okay, not this week, next week. Please wait for it. In Enlite I teach only math. Okay. When would be mains 23? Arshad, not sure, man. There are rumors going around. It might be in Jan, but let's wait for official notification. It will be out in November. Please wait. 100% it will come next week. So wait for some time. We will get to know the proper official date. Till then, you start studying. You work on your content. Don't bother about these rumors. Okay. We will announce the correct official news in this channel. So do follow us regularly for these updates. Okay. So boys and girls, what is the answer for this question? Did you all complete it? Did you all complete it? How many of you solved this one? Everybody, check it out. This is a very simple looking question, but actually it's not. Okay. You need to use your brain and you need to use properties of logarithms. Otherwise, you're going to end up in trouble. Okay. What are the properties you are going to use? So first, let me give you the properties. Let's see whether you guys are aware of it or not. So boys and girls, do you all know this? These properties you are aware, na? These properties you guys are aware. Is everybody cool? Sir, yes sir. This and all we know very well, sir. Yes, are you all okay with that? So this is the first property which I want you to write down. Important, and I will be using this in the question. Everybody aware? Vishwajit knows. Saravanan has told the answer also. Saravanan, absolutely right. Sonika, 9 is not the answer. Answer is 8. Okay. For this question, answer is 8, not 9. Okay. Very good. Very good. Now, next property is very interesting. See, this I expected you guys to know, because this, if you are calling yourself a JEE aspirant, you are supposed to know this, my dear. If you don't know this also, then I don't know why you are calling yourself a JEE aspirant. Okay. Now, the second property is pretty interesting. That is very important. So listen carefully. Okay. So boys and girls, if you have a log to the base b c, you can write this as c log to the base b a. Do you guys know that? Have you guys learned this? Yep. So this property is also something which is very important, and I'm going to be using this right now. Okay. I will show you how to use this in this question. This is also very crucial. Okay. So don't take this lightly. Okay. Don't take this lightly. Good. Menika, very good. I'm glad you guys know this. Sonika, Nikita, fantastic. Many of you are aware of it. Johnny, welcome Johnny. Nice to have you. So people, first of all, we have log 9 to the base 2. Log 9 to the base 2. So let's take log 9 to the base 2 as some x. Okay. So I have x square 1 by log to the base 2 of x. Correct na? Till here you guys are okay? Everybody happy with this? No doubts. Is that okay? Fantastic. So I did log 9 to the base 2 as x. Okay. So it will be x square on the inside, and outside I have 1 by log to the base 2. Log to the base 2 of 9. Log to the base 2 of 9 only is x. So correctly I have handled it. No problem. No doubt in that. Isn't it? Now let's come to this one. So this one I will write as 7 to the power half, because root 7 is 7 to the power half. That is basic. Very laddu. You all know that. Then 1 by log to the base 4 of 7. I will write it as log 4 to the base 7. Is that all right? Is that all right, my dear boys and girls? Is that all right? Everybody cool with this? So now only I'm going to use the second property which I gave you. Now I'm going to use the second property which I taught you. What is the second property which I taught you? I'm going to interchange this 7 power half and 4. You can switch them. 7 power half and 4, I'm going to switch them. I'm going to replace them. Is that okay? That's allowed now. That is what I taught you guys. I hope all of you are cool with it. So this and this, let's switch it. So 4 will come here. 7 to the power half will go there. Sir, tell us why, sir. Why are you doing this? I don't understand. Hello? Base is 7, no. So it makes sense to take 7 to the top. That's why I'm doing it. So you should question all that. Don't accept blindly whatever I say. When I do a step, in my mind, I assume certain things. I will definitely try to make an effort to let you guys know. But in case you want to know why I'm doing a certain step, ask me in the chat. I'll help you out. Because that is how you will grow. Got it? Is that clear, my dear boys and girls? So now that is very easy simplification. What is that? That entire thing is going to become half. That entire thing is going to become half. Over. As simple as that. So this entire thing will become half. How, sir? Because we have log to the base 7, 7 to the power half, right? So this power will come to the front by properties of logarithm. Now, what is log 7 to the base 7? That is 1. So that is why it becomes half into 1, which is half. That's how I got it. Is that clear? I hope I have made it very, very easy for all of you. Now, let's simplify the first term. Okay. Now, again, this 1 by log x to the base 2, I will write it as log 2 to the base x. Is that all right? Again, you see where I'm going towards? What am I going towards? I am going to switch x square and 2. Same, the second property which I taught you at the start of this question. So I'm going to switch x square and 2. I'm going to bring 2 here. I'm going to take x square there. Why? Because base is x. So it makes sense for us to do that. So now I'm going to bring 2 here. Okay. And take x square there. So now it will become x square. Now this square, bring it to the front because by properties of logarithms I can do that. Now what is log x to the base x? Log x to the base x is 1. So the answer is 2 square 4 into root of 4, which is 2. Answer is 8. Look at how easy, how beautiful this question was. Did you love it? Are you all happy with it, my dear boys and girls? Do you think it was out of your reach? You all understood what I taught you? It was within your reach. That is the beauty of JEE Advanced. This is how they ask questions. They make you think. They make you go out of the box. And that is what you should train your mind. Okay. So everybody clear? Shall I move forward? Very good. So let's go to the next question, guys. Very fast. So the next question is over here. Again, one more question from permutation and combination. Let's try to solve this. Okay. So you have a 5-digit number and you want it to be divisible by 4. Okay, I want 5-digit number divisible by 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now guys, what is divisibility by 4? Divisibility by 4 means last 2 digits must be a multiple of 4. Correct now? Divisibility by 4 means the last 2 digits must be a multiple of 4. Is that correct? Everybody cool with that? So let's focus on that first, okay? Let's worry about the first 3 digits later because they can be anything. I don't care. First 3 digits can be anything. But last 2, very important. I have to track them. Why? Because the question told that I have to make sure it is divisible by 4. Isn't that correct? So let's do that now. So my focus is on entirely last 2 digits. So last 2 digits should be multiple of 4. So look at these numbers. What combinations will give you multiple of 4? 1 and 2. Yes, 12 is divisible by 4. 1 and 3? No. 1 and 4? No. 1 and 5? No. 2 and 1? No. 2 and 2? No. Why, sir, 2 and 2? Because repetition of digits is allowed. Why are you checking 2 and 2, sir? Because repetition of digits is allowed. So I have to check 2 and 2. That is not possible. 22 is not divisible by 4. 23, no. 24, yes. 24 is divisible by 4. 25, no. 31, no. 32, yes. 32 is divisible by 4. 33, no. 34, no. 35, no. 41, no. 42, no. 43, no. 44, yes. 44 will work. Then 45, no. Now 51, no way. 52, yes. 52 is possible. 53, no. 54, no. 55, no. So these are only the 5 possibilities which can come as the last 2 digits for this number to be divisible by 4. Correct? So there are only 5 possibilities for the last 2 digits. No other possibility. Okay? No other possibility. Are you all clear? Did you all like it? The last 2 digits have to be one of these 5. No other option. Got it? Now, what about the first 3 digits? The first digit can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can be anything. 5 options. Second digit can be also anything. 5 options. Third digit can also be anything because no restriction. Because there is no restriction on the first 3 digits. So that is why it is 1, 5, 5, 5. And then last 2 digits together, they have only 5 ways. So answer is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So that's going to be 625. How 625? Why are you multiplying, sir? Because first digit 5 options and second digit 5 options and third digit 5 options and fourth and fifth digits 5 options. So when I say and, I multiply. I hope you guys are clear. Did you all like it? So shall I move forward? Everybody cool with this? Very good. Manogna, student. Very good, very good. Renu Varshan, Saravanan. Brilliant job, guys. All of you are right. So happy, so proud of you. So now let's move forward to the next question from binomial theorem. It is a very good question and usually students are scared of it. The moment you see a question like this, you want to avoid it. You want to skip it and go to the next one. Is that correct? Many of you try to do that, isn't it? Yeah? Okay, but today let's try to learn, let's try to understand how this question is solved. So everybody try it out along with me. Okay? No problem. Vishwajit, that's okay, man. No problem. Don't worry. Okay. Latish. No, Latish. Not yet sure, man. Not yet sure. Let's wait for the official notification. It will come in November. Just wait for one more week. Okay? Saravanan, don't worry. I will try to explain it in a very easy manner. So guys, this question, can I say x is equal to, let's say 0 into 10c0 whole square plus 1 into 10c1 whole square plus 2 into 10c2 whole square dot 10 into 10c10 whole square. Is that okay with everybody? Are you all cool with it? So I just added one term so that I can write a nice summation. Is that okay? Everybody cool with this? No problem, na? What I wrote here and what is given in the question, both are same? Yes? Please let me know in the chat, my dear boys and girls. I want you all to be very, very involved, very aggressive in the chat. Only then we'll move forward. Yep. Everybody happy with this? So now I will write x as, listen carefully, I will write in sigma notation. I will write as sigma r equal to 0 to, let's say 10. What do we have? We have r into 10cr whole square. Correct na? Is this sigma notation going to represent whatever summation we have here? Yes? Everybody happy with this? Superb. Very good, Kiran, Vishwajit, Nikita. Fantastic. I am glad you guys are all able to follow, because once you convert this into a sigma notation, it is going to become simpler and easier to solve. It is going to become easier and simpler to solve. Otherwise, it's a very lengthy question. You cannot do it by other ways. You cannot calculate each of the terms. Please don't do that. Okay? Very good. So now let me erase this. Let us get into the problem solving. So now 10 CR whole square, I will write as 10 CR into 10 CR. Okay. Now, can I write one of the 10 CR as 10 by R into 9CR minus 1? Is that okay? 10 by R into 9CR minus 1 by using properties of binomial coefficients. What property, sir? Hello, you must be knowing NCR is equal to N by R into N minus 1 CR minus 1. Is that correct? Is that correct? Sir, why are you doing that, sir? Because R is there, no? I want that to get cancelled. Because R is there, no? I want that to get cancelled. That is the idea. That is the logic behind me doing this particular step. Okay. Saravanan, how? This is the property, Saravanan, from binomial coefficients it comes. Okay. So that property I am using, that is how I am getting it. Okay. Are you all clear? So one of the 10 CR, I will write it as 10 by R into 9CR minus 1. Correct na? Everybody happy with this? Everybody okay? Easy na? Fantastic. Super. Now you see R and R will get cancelled. That's the beauty. That is the beauty. Manogna, absolutely right, Manogna. You are amazing. Manogna, you absolutely nailed it. I am so happy you got the answer. Okay. So R and R will cancel. I'll have 10. Now 10 is a constant. So constant you can take it outside. Okay. So now this is what I have. I have reduced the difficulty of the question. I have made it very simple now. Correct now? I have reduced the question difficulty and I have brought it to a very nice, cozy, simple form. From here, all of us can do it if you use your brain little bit. Okay. So let's learn how to use our brain little bit. So everybody listen carefully. So what did I have? I had 9CR minus 1 into 10CR. Correct? Now guys, that 10CR, can I write it as 10C 10 minus R? Is that okay? We know 10CR is equal to 10C 10 minus R. By properties of binomial coefficient, NCR is equal to NC n minus R. Everybody knows that. That is not something which you are all unaware, right? I hope all of you are clear. Now, we know that whenever you have R minus 1 and 10 minus R, what is R minus 1 plus 10 minus R? It is going to be 9, correct? R will cancel and these two when I add, it will be 9. Okay, so this is a category of question in binomial coefficient. So whenever you add both the subscript and if you are getting a constant, then the answer is going to be, when you calculate this product, it will be 9 plus 10, 19, C, this plus this, which is 9. So the answer is X is equal to 10 into this product summation. This product summation will become 19C9. Sir, how, sir? Sir, please explain, sir. I don't know. I didn't understand this, sir. I will help you, don't worry. But before that, please note it down, guys. Okay, note it down, note it down. Everybody, please try to do it quickly, guys. I want you to be fast. I want you all to be fast. Everybody liked it. So that is a very good result which I am giving you. Practice such questions. I will slightly try to explain how this works. But yeah, this is the answer. You substitute this X over here, you will get the complete solution. Okay. Sulegama Anirudh, can we crack advanced if you start studying now from scratch? See, it will be very tough. It will be a very difficult path, but why not? See, nothing is impossible if you put your heart and mind to it. If you work like a crazy person from today, maybe yes, you can make it. So try, Anirudh. Don't keep asking, will it be possible? Can I start today? Can I start tomorrow? Next week? that won't work. Start today. Whether you are going to crack it or not, just give your best. Okay, that is what I would recommend. So now people, for those who are wondering, sir, I understood everything, but last step, sir, last step I did not understand. How did you get 19C9, sir? So boys and girls, this is nothing but coefficient of x to the power r minus 1 in what do we have? 1 plus x to the power 9. Correct? And what is this? This is coefficient of x to the power 10 minus r in 1 plus x to the power 10. Now we are multiplying both. Correct? This is coefficient of x to the power r minus 1 in 1 plus x power 9. This is coefficient of x to the power 10 minus r in 1 plus x to the power 10. Correct? Now I am multiplying both. If I multiply both, what is x power r minus 1 and x power 10 minus r? X power r minus 1 into x to the power 10 minus r is x power 9. And if I multiply these two, what will I get? 1 plus x power 9 into 1 plus x power 10 is 1 plus x power 19 when I multiply that two. So together it is equivalent to finding x power 9 coefficient in this. What is x power 9 coefficient in this? 19C9 over. Legendary, na? Crazy, right? Did you love it? Was it cool? Are you all happy with it, my dear boys and girls? Shall I move forward to the next question? Yup. Amazing, right? I gave you complete explanation. I hope now you guys are happy. Let's go to the last question, guys, and then we will wind it up. Okay, so this is the last question for you guys of Killer 5 series. I hope you guys are all loving it. If you guys are enjoying these questions, let us know, and we'll bring even more insane questions in the upcoming classes. Okay, very good. So people, what is the answer for this question? I want you to find the product of all the positive real values of x which satisfy this particular equation. So first you need to solve this equation, get the values of x which satisfy this, and multiply all of them and tell me the answer. Whatever solution you find to this equation, multiply all of it and tell me the answer. That is my question. Please do it. I will give all of you probably 1 minute time to think. Okay. Thank you, Cricket Desk. I am so happy, man. You are loving it. This is so nice because advanced, very few people watch in YouTube, and always we are skeptical. Should I teach advanced level? Will students like it, or they'll be scared, or they'll get afraid of exam? But I'm happy that you are all taking it so nicely and you're all enjoying and learning. That encourages us to do better. Okay, so we'll come up with more sessions, but make sure you guys are also sincerely watching them. That is important. Okay, cool. So shall we solve this, boys and girls? Everybody? So what is the hint in this question? The hint is you have log to the base 5, log to the base 5 everywhere, right? And here you have 5 power minus 16. So it makes sense to take log to the base 5 on both sides. Did you get it? Let me repeat. You already have log to the base 5x, log to the base 5x, and the right hand side is 5 to the power something. So it makes sense to take log to the base 5 on both sides. That's the first step. I'm just telling so that you guys understand, so that next time when you are solving on your own, you will know how to think. Because my job here is not to make you happy solving 5 questions. That is not the objective. Today's class, I taught you 5 concepts, 5 approaches. That is what I want you to take away, not 5 questions answers. That is nothing that everybody can do. You can Google it and get it. Okay, so understand the underlying concept and the approach to questions. That is very crucial. Got it? So yeah, let's start off with taking log on both sides. So when I take log on both sides, I'll get what? Log to the base 5. I'll have x to the power 16 log to the base 5 x cube minus 68 log to the base 5x. Okay, that is in the power, right? That is in the power, and that is equal to log to the base 5 of this will be minus 16. Okay, because right hand side is what? Right hand side is log to the base 5, 5 to the power minus 16. So this minus 16 will come to the front. So that will become minus 16 only. Correct now? Everybody okay? Are you all happy with this? Very good. Superb, superb. Brilliant work, guys. Brilliant work. Now, right hand side is sorted. It became very simple. Let's solve the left hand side. Left hand side, this is power, na? This is power. So let's bring the power to the front. Let's bring the power to the front. So it will become 16 log to the base 5x whole cube minus 68 log to the base 5x. That is in the front. And then we'll have log to the base 5 of x is equal to minus 16. Now I have too many log to the base 5 of x. Log to the base 5 of x, log to the base 5 of x, log to the base 5 of x. Let's take it as something else. So log to the base 5 of x, let's take it as y. So I have 16y cube minus 68y into y is equal to minus 16. Now you'll get what? 16y power 4 minus 68y square plus 16 is equal to 0. After this, it's easy. You guys can finish it off. Definitely cricket desk. If you do well in Crash Course Plus and if you are scoring well in your JEE mains and test series that we keep, you can enter Ekalavya batch. Ekalavya batch is the JEE Advanced batch. It is super amazing, guys. I hope you saw all the testimonial videos. They're all very sincere, okay? I'm not making this up. I can vouch for it because I was also in Ekalavya batch. I was a teacher there. It's very good. It's free of cost. Okay? But if you want to get into that batch, you need to do well in JEE mains first. Okay? Cool. So guys, this everybody can finish it off. I hope you all liked it. I have tried to explain each and every step in detail. Now you guys can give the finishing touch to it. So divide by 4. If I divide by 4, what will I get? I'll get 4y to the power 4 minus 17y square plus 4 is equal to under 0. So I'll have 4y to the power 4 minus 16y square minus y square plus 4 is equal to 0. So I'll have 4 common, y square common. I'll have y square minus 4 minus 1 into y square minus 4 is equal to 0. So I'll have y square is equal to 4 or 1 by 4. Correct? So y will be what? Y will be plus or minus 2 or plus or minus 1 by 2. So what is y? Y is log x to the base 5. That is equal to this much. So what is x? X is 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power minus 2, 5 to the power half and 5 to the power minus half. So if I multiply all of them, I will get 1. If I multiply all of them, I will get 1. Did you all love it? Was it amazing? Was it absolutely amazing? Everybody please let me know, guys. Quick, 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 quick. Yes. So yeah, that's about it, people. I hope you enjoyed it. That's the answer. And with that, we'll conclude. If you enjoyed this session, if you want to do well in JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, do watch our channel regularly. We'll come up with amazing content. Every week, we'll have some problem solving. So subscribe, and if you enjoyed this, share it to your friends also. And if you are preparing for JEE Mains, if you want to learn the concepts, Shimon Sir, you didn't teach concept, you only solved questions. I tried to teach the surrounding concept, people. Okay, but if you want to learn it from scratch, either watch our YouTube channel or use the crash course. I'll be teaching in the crash course. In case you are interested, I will show you how to access it. Please watch. Okay, and guys, I will share this PDF in our Telegram group. This is our Telegram group, so please join it without fail. So this is a link to join the Telegram group, and this is our regular important Important saying. So share it to your friends, like the video if you haven't already, and subscribe if you want to regularly attend these sessions. Okay? And people, the crash course link is given in the description right over here. Okay? So come below the video. That is my video. Just come below the video. You will see JEE 2023 crash course. JEE 2023 crash course. Click on that. You can register. You can enroll. Okay? Very good. Brilliant. Hanuma, these problems are good for MSAT but slightly difficult. These questions are more difficult than MSAT. Okay. For MSAT, easy questions are enough. This is too much. Okay. Great. So thank you people. Love you all. I will see you in the next class. Until then, take care, work hard, stay safe and be happy. Okay. Love you guys. Bye-bye. See you in the next one.